Welcome to LanguageVector. Today, we're exploring pronouns, the words that make our sentences shorter and smoother. Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence, helping us avoid repetition. There are many types of nouns: personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, and interrogative pronouns. Today, I am talking only about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used to refer to specific people or things without naming them directly. They help make sentences less repetitive and clearer. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, and them are all personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they are all subject pronouns. Subject pronouns replace the subject of the sentence. Here are two examples. I am learning English. They are going to the store. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them are all object pronouns. Object pronouns replace the object of the sentence. Here are two examples. She gave me a book. We saw them at the park. Using pronouns in different cases. Subject case. Used as the subject of the sentence. Example: he is my friend. He is the subject. Object case. Used as the object of the sentence or preposition. Examples: the teacher spoke to him. Him is the object. Possessive case. Show ownership or possession. Examples: my book is on the table. My shows possession. His house is big. His shows possession. One common mistake is using the wrong pronoun case. For example, she and me went to the store is incorrect. The correct sentence is she and I went to the store. Here are the examples. Marcus went to the store and bought his mother a bunch of flowers. Alice was playing dolls with her little sister in their bedroom. They were jumping on the trampoline with their friends yesterday. The math teacher rewarded us with extra recess this week. Quiz time. Which word is a personal pronoun? Olivia was finishing her homework. Comment below. Which word is a personal pronoun? The cat was playing with his toys.
Next video, we'll explore possessive pronouns. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching.